Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to buy new Instagram followers from Twicsy, and all you have to do is first know that there are a lot of accounts that you can actually try to buy followers for Instagram, but for this one we are going to try with Twicsy since people do believe in it. So we're going to search for it, and I'm going to tap on this website. And from there, you can actually boost your TikTok account through Twicsy, even your Spotify account, your Instagram account, even your YouTube account, also your SoundCloud. You should know that it's a safe and secure. It's 100% satisfaction. Customer support actually available, and in the case that the money that you used to boost your TikTok account or Instagram account, you will have a guarantee that it will be able to come back to you. So from here, all you have to do is to head on over to the Instagram, and you can actually buy some Instagram views for as low as $4, even the likes, even the Instagram followers. And you should know that Twitter is the account that we are boosting our social medias to. People do like the Twitter account, and people have been using it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.